Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create your Binance account. First, head over to the official Binance website or download their mobile application. You will then register using a valid email address or phone number. Remember to choose a strong, unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After entering your details, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Simply enter this code to confirm your registration and proceed. Next, you will complete the Essential Identity Verification, also known as KYC. This process is crucial for security and compliance, unlocking full platform features and higher transaction limits. You will need to provide personal details like your full name and address. Then, upload clear images of a government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license. Finally, complete a quick liveness check, often a simple face scan, to confirm your identity. Account security is paramount, so let's enhance yours. The most critical step is enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. You can choose between Google Authenticator or SMS verification for this extra layer of protection. Additionally, set up an anti-phishing code in your email settings. This unique code will appear in all official Binance emails, helping you distinguish them from fraudulent attempts. Always monitor your account activity and connected devices for anything unusual. With your account created and secured, you are ready to fund it. Binance offers several deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit card payments, and direct cryptocurrency transfers. When depositing crypto, always double-check the deposit address and ensure you select the correct network to avoid any loss of funds. Once your funds arrive, you can explore the vast array of trading pairs and investment opportunities available on the platform, beginning your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.